Hello everyone, as we know that in food, pharma and chemical industry, we use many instrument and equipment, but we not aware about that what is the difference between them. So today we learn what is the difference between equipment and instrument. An instrument is used to analysis data or measurement of data. So equipment is a various supporting tools which is used in laboratory analysis. So instrument is a device is used to measurement of scientific data and for measurement analysis. So equipment is large in size, whereas the instrument is a smaller in size. The equipment needs a validation and calibration. So as compared to the equipment, instrument needs a calibration. So few example of equipment is stability chamber, autoclave, dissolution and blender, compression machine. These are the used as the equipment. And few example of instrument is HPLC, UV, FTIR, analytical balance, pH meter. So much for watching.